We start with the forward chart. Okay, as you can see, based on forward chart, we have this sharp move, and now we are within this consolidation. Okay, anyway, we are looking for buy. The only thing is how deep this one can be, and we see whether we can get any trade set up or not. In this case, I will move to the lower time frame, 1 hour chart. Okay, based on 1 hour chart, as we can see, we have this move, and that question is how high this one can go. Break, even there is a possibility to break this, drop, or even continue come to this level, drop before we get the next move. What I want to say, we will have this correction internally for one move down before we get the up move. Okay, that's mean we need to look for buy setup. This is where we buy after the price break this low, and if break this one is better for us. Okay, now the question is, how about if the sharply price continue from here? Can we have entry above this? For here, I don't recommend it. For those traders, they have experience, they know how to manage, they can trade it because of the possibility the price can sharply tag the top and reverse is there. Okay, why? Because as we can see, the price haven't broke the low. That's why I say still we are we have the correction in between for the next move down before we take the up move. Okay, similar to what we have here. Here, see, for this one, having a correction above the top was good idea because as we can see, the price broke this low, and we could confirm at least this is the only correction and this is the next move. But since here the price haven't broke the low, I think we get one move down before we get the move up. Okay, anyway, that's why having here the entry having above the top is really danger unless for those traders they know how to trade, because as I say, the possibility the price tag drop is there. Okay, anyway, the best thing is we let this one finish before we get the down move, then we look for buy. Even as I say, whether the price can break this one, drop, or even tag this high, then drop before we get the next move. Okay, by the way, we need to know if the price within this range even tag this high, still we can expect the price come to break this low before we get the next move. But if the price come to tag this high, then we don't need to wait the breakout of this any drop, then from there we can look for buy. Okay, anyway, we want to see how we can get the trade from this, and in this case we just follow the chart. If we see any changes or any update, then I will share on YouTube. Thanks.